Start. Start. This appeal arises out of order dated 15/9/2000 of the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission bracket hereinafter referred to as the Commission bracket close in original petition number 265 of 1992, whereby a complaint filed by Miss Indu Malhotra, complainant, has been dismissed. Brief facts leading to the filing of this appeal are that the complainant appellant herein is the sister of Priya Malhotra, who died on 24/8/1989 in Bombay Hospital, respondent number 7 herein. In May 1989, Priya Malhotra complained of burning sensation in stomach, vomiting and diarrhea. Her family doctor P.K. Joshi advised to get the patient admitted to Bombay Hospital for investigation and treatment. On 14/7/1989, Priya Malhotra was admitted to the Bombay Hospital, but on that day, Dr. Seth was out of station, and in his absence, Dr. Malik examined Priya Malhotra and prescribed to undergo several tests, and Priya Malhotra was diagnosed. Unfortunately, on 24/8/1989 at about 9 a.m., Priya Malhotra expired. On the same day, post-mortem upon the dead body of Priya Malhotra was conducted at JJ Hospital, Bombay. The appellant filed a police complaint against the doctors of Bombay Hospital in the year 1990. Another complaint was also filed before the Maharashtra Medical Council, and on 2/7/1992, written complaint was sent by the post to the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, which was registered. On notice, the respondents entered appearance and filed their separate written statements. During the course of the proceedings before the Commission, the appellant was granted opportunity to produce written opinion of expert doctors in support of her allegations made in the complaint against the named doctors and Bombay Hospital for their medical negligence or lack of proper medical treatment to deceased Priya Malhotra. The appellant could not lead the evidence of any expert doctor in support of her complaint, and she pleaded before the Commission that no expert doctor was willing to give an opinion against the doctors of Bombay Hospital. Though unofficially, some doctors had expressed an opinion that injustice had been done to deceased Priya Malhotra. The appellant was issued notice to appear on 9/7/2000 for recording of her cross-examination. The counsel for the respondents stated before the Commission that they did not intended to cross-examine the appellant. None of the respondent had appeared as witness in support of his or her defense. On consideration of the entire material on record, the Commission, void its order dated 15/9/2000, dismissed the complaint of the appellant, holding that the complainant has not been able to establish a case of medical negligence against the respondents. Being aggrieved thereby, the appellant has filed this appeal under Section 23 of the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission Act 1986. The learned counsel appearing for the appellant contended that the order of the Commission is bad on facts and in law, as the same is passed without proper appreciation of the evidence of the appellant made in examination in chief before the Commission, which has gone unrebutted and uncontroverted, as she has not been cross-examined by the respondents. Stop.